Quran and authentic Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ together, no more, no less. If we do anything more or less, we may fall out of Islam. Yes, this is how much we Muslims honor Isa a.s. We don't go to the extreme that the Jewish community went. They called him a false prophet. We don't go to the extreme that the Christian community went to call him God. We stay exactly where he is. Every miracle that God told us about him, every single sign that God told us about him, every single sayings of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that he told us about him and his mother, of course, all of them we honor. By name, he's mentioned more than Prophet ﷺ in the Quran. By name, Maryam is mentioned more than Bible. Bible mentions her about 17 to 19 times, and Quran mentions her, Allahu Akbar, between 30 to 38 times. So honor and excellence, alhamdulillah, that's where we keep it. We're exactly on the position of justice.